Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Jim, your RV specialist. And Jim wanted to talk a little bit about reasons that we replace a lot of brake shoes here at the shop. So go ahead, Jim.
Yeah, thank you. Hey everybody. So we get a lot of work in for bearing packs. Part of the bearing pack is checking the brakes, checking the suspension. What we're finding a lot is that guys are over greasing the wheel bearings using the grease nipple underneath the grease cap. And I don't have one here.
That's okay.
So what happens is, if you overfill that little cavity in there, the grease spills out past the grease seal. It actually gets so full it pushes past this lip right here, and then it gets into the brake work. Once it gets into the brake work, you lose braking ability because your friction lining should be nice and dry. The drum should be nice and dry. You introduce grease in there, and you lose stopping ability. A lot of it.
Basically, like ice
skating. There's no way to get it out. I mean, you could sand it out, but it's deeper than what you can sand usually. Yeah. So we just recommend replacing them. I mean, it's a very expensive unit that most people have. It's not worth messing around just trying to sand them. We just replace them, but we find we're doing a whole lot of them simply because guys are over greasing them. So I would lay off the grease gun. I would really lay off the grease gun. I don't really see any point. Come on in, get your wheel bearings packed by us. You get everything else inspected at the same time, and it's a really good deal.
Yep. Thanks so much for watching.